everyone. First Day of My Life by Bright Hours. This is a classic tune, classic pop tune, some really cool chords in here. We've got a capo at the 4th fret. Let's kick it straight off. The strumming pattern, we're going to go 1 and. So basically get 1 and 2, E and right? So basically I'm going to hit the bass, strum through the higher strings, and then go up, down, up. All right, so just like that. We can do that all the time. So E major, A minor, F major, G major, C major. If you like, you can do some rolls in the C major there. Taking your second finger off, hammering it on, so like. Okay, then the verse kicks off. We've got C, same chords, C, E, G, C. Second line, C, A minor, D7, doing there, instead of playing G this way around and then switching all the way around to get to G7 there, I'm just doing my 3rd, 2nd and pinky. 1, 2, right? Makes it easier to get to G7, right? Okay. Then we continue with the verse. C, A minor, F, G, C. G7, G to G7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, exactly the same as the previous 8 bars. Then we're going to hit a bridge. Okay, so I'm just going to play that bridge so you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, so we've got some quite interesting chords here. We've got C major, G, and then A minor, a bar, but we've got a count of 2 there, so it basically goes 1, 2, 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 1. Then we keep going, right? F, G, then stop again. C, E, 1 strum each, A minor. Now, here we go. We're going to play this D minor chord. Interesting. Add 9, I don't know. D minor add 9 over C, over A I wrote. Who knows? So we've got 0, 3, 2, 3, open. And we've got the notes for a D minor add 9 over A. I mean, I do know, if you know what I mean, but it's a strange sort of chord, right? So, right. And then we play C major with the pinky on top. B7. As well. This is harder with the capo. And then A minor. A minor, 7 minor. And then we're going to go back to D minor. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing. Slide it up here. That's F minor. Right? Put your pinky on the double dot, which is 8 away from the capo. So that bit. And then you scoop all the way back to the beginning of the verse. You play everything exactly as you did the first time. The second time we get to this, so that almost at the end of the song, we're going to do that same thing again. And then we goes back through the C, B7, A minor. Scoop forward. And then up we go. Through the C again, A minor, Up we go. Slow down to a C. And that is how you play First Day of My Life by Bright Eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you want the chart, you can grab that at Patreon.